Hey guys, what's up? So to make sure you guys had an easy factory reset in Android. So yeah, so this is one I believe is the Android or Samsung Galaxy. I think it's S21. I'm not exactly sure, but that's what I was told. So I'm gonna show you how to easily reset this. So if you buy a used phone or you guys get the phone and you just once you forgot your password or whatever, you don't know your password and you still want to use your phone. Unfortunately, this everything's backed up. You're gonna lose everything. But it's how you guys can get it back and working again. You're obviously do a factory reset. So in order to get this screen, it might be different for each phone. Some phones require you to push the volume up button and the power button at the same time. You have to hold that for a certain amount of time, and eventually the phone will go off, come back on into this mode. For me and for most phones, I guess you have a Samsung Galaxy, whatever, or the newer Samsung Galaxies. How you're gonna do to get this screen right here is you actually want to hold down the volume down button and the power button, and then kind of the phone, make sure it's on first. The phone then go off. As soon as you see the blank screen, keep holding down the power button, but just switch over to the volume up and hold that down. And then that's it. Keep doing that, and then eventually this screen will come up, and you guys can let go of the volume up button and the power button. So once you guys are, we have a lot that we can do right here. Obviously, we'll go to the factory reset. So wipe data, factory reset. So you guys can use your volume to, pretty much scroll down and up, right? Volume down, volume up, go up, and then you're gonna use your power button on the side to pretty much select it. So if your power button's up here, then wherever your power button is. For me, it's on the right side. So we'll go to wipe data, factory reset. If your phone is reset, you may need to enter the Google account information, email address, and password associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So yeah, we're gonna go to that, click onto it, and we're gonna factory reset, factory data reset. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on SD card will also be lost. So click the power button, and then you're gonna pretty much wait for this to load. Right now it is wiping data. It's done, guys. What we're gonna do is actually go up here and go to reboot system now, the first option. Oops, and then click the power button, and then it's gonna reboot. And then when it actually comes back on, it should be back for us to sign in.